video I will explain you how to find out how to write the code to reverse the given sentence. We have to reverse basically each word from the given sentence. So this is our output. So this is the output that we want to print. So for this we have to write the code. So that's for that I have taken one class. So basically we are using Java language. I have created one class, and I have taken one main method, and in the main method this is our string. String str is equal to I am mechanical engineer, and I have taken one another string array, and in this string array we are using str.split method. So what this split method does, basically it splits the given string. So basically it splits the given string based upon the character that we have passed here. So basically we have passed here a space. So based upon the space like this, it will divide this in the elements, multiple elements. So this is the how that array will look after using the split method. So this is our final array that we will get here after using split method. Then we are using string reverse string. We have just declared variable and not initialized as of now. We will initialize it as per the requirement. Then I have created one for each loop. So in the for each loop I have the data type string. Then we have variable and a colon and array. This array is a string array. So basically in this loop we will get elements from the array. Initially it will be I, then am, then mechanical. So it will give one by one a variable from the element from the array, which is a type, which is of type string, right? So then in the for loop we have a variable reverse string that we have initialized as a empty. So we have initialized reverse string as empty. Why? I will explain that later. So we will look for the second for loop. So we have one another for loop inside the this for each loop. So in this for loop we have integer I is equal to 0, I less than value. What is this value? Value is this value. So initially if it's I, so it will I dot length, then that will become as a 1. So I will iterate from I is equal to 0 to I is less than 1. Then for the next iteration value will be am, then am dot length, which means the value will be 2. The basically length operation will give the string length. So here we will get the 2. Then it I will go from 0 1 2 like this. So it will work till I is less than 2, I plus plus. For the mechanical we will have a length is 10. So it will be I less than 10, I plus plus. So this loop will execute based upon the value dot length operation. For each character we have to traverse, that's why we are using that main length method. Then this is the important condition, that is that is how we will be reversing the string, the element. Okay, so we have taken character ch is equal to value. What is value? Value is the same, I dot char at I. What is I is 0 initially. For this 0th position we will get value is I. So what is on the 0th position? It's am, I only, right? So initially reverse string is equal to ch. What is ch? Ch is I that we have got here, chi. And what is str reverse string? Reverse string is empty. So that's how we will get a reverse string for the first time will be I. So this is the first iteration. Then for the second iteration we will have value is equal to am. Now again we are reinitializing reverse string is equal to empty, right? Then in the for loop we have integer I is equal to 0, I is less than am dot length. What is his length? Its length is 2. So loop will execute from 0 and 1, 2 times it will execute. So when I is equal to 0, then we will have the character as a, right? It will be a. When the value is 0, so the on the 0, that means it follows indexing. That's why on the 0th place we have a. So here reverse string is equal to a plus, what is reverse string? Reverse string is empty that we have initialized, right? So we will get a first time, Then for the second iteration, when I value will increase from 0 to 1, now we have ch is equal to m, right? We will have, for 1 we will have m, ch will be m. Now reverse string is equal to m plus, what is reverse string? Initially we got it as a, so it will be m plus a will be ma. So this is the how we are reversing it. Then uh, again for the third iteration, the value will be mechanical, right? So again we are reinitializing, reverse string is equal to empty. Then in the for loop also, the value dot length will be now 10, which means I less than 10, so a loop will execute from 0 to 9. Then in the character, initially we will get for value dot caret for the 0, for 0 we will have m is on the 0th position because it follows indexing. So so character will be m, and what is reverse string? Reverse string is empty, we have, because we have reinitialized, that's why initially it will be empty. So we will have first element will be m, right? Then for the second iteration in the same for loop, we will have I value from 0 to 1. So in the for first place we have this e. Now character will be e, and what is reversing is we have m, so e plus m will be em, right? We got reversing as a, reversing will be em. Then for the third iteration in the same, we have I value is equal to 2. So now we will have a character as ch is equal to c. Then ch plus em will be cem, right? So reversing value will become cem. Again for the fourth iteration it will be h, so ch will be h plus cem will be hcem. Again for the fifth iteration it will be a plus hcem, ahcem. So it will increase, keep increasing the values, and for all the iterations it will add on the first place and reversing will be at the back side. So this is how we are reversing the given string. And for the same, for the fourth iteration the value will be engineer, and it will also reverse the same way that I have explained for the other rest of the two, mechanical and am. So this is how we will get the reverse of the given word. So after this for loop I have written the system.out.println. So this is the printing statement that I have written inside the for loop only, because after execution of this for loop we have written, that's why we have value of the reverse string will be this one, right? So we have not if we remove this and we have keep out, if we place it outside, so it will be wrong. So that's why we have to keep it inside the for loop. Just after the this for loop we have to place it here inside the this outer for loop, so that it will print it correctly. And I am removing the ln so that we will get it in the same line. So let's run the code and check whether it's correct or not. So yes, it's printing correctly, and in the reverse way. That's how we want the result, and we are getting it in the correct format. Yeah, that's about how to find the how to reverse the characters from each string. So let's change it to something else. Let's say, for example, let's make it as a let's run for this. It should print in the reverse order. Yes, so it's working fine. So that's about it. Thank you.